Hello to all Stocklear members. We are in one of our warehouses in Germany, in Nettetal, so in the west of Germany, to present a batch from the leader, one of the leaders in global leasing, who deals with high-tech products and is the seller. Sorry, the seller Groover. So Groover, a German company. Now we're going to focus on products, one, which are used functional, quality grade, used functional at Stockler, and two, which are products, in this case cameras, to be more precise, photo cameras. So there are several brands. There is the brand Nikon, of course, and the brand Canon. There is the brand Sony that I see here. There are certainly other brands. You will have the full details in the Excel file. So the products are functionally used, meaning they come from the rental at Groover. They are leaving the rental circuit to find a second life through Stockler. And in this case, you will have more details than just the occasional quality grade. You will have 4 major pieces of information that you need. Well, in any case, I strongly encourage you to look at them in the Excel file. 1 is the aesthetic condition of the product. 2, does the product have its original packaging? Does it have any packaging at all? For the vast majority, they have, in any case, from what I see, they all have packaging. In the Excel file, we can look more precisely. And there I see 2 products that don't have the original packaging, but still have some packaging. So those are the first 2 elements, sorry. Third element, the aesthetic condition of the product. Are there more or fewer scratches? Are there more or fewer signs of use? Fourth element, does the product have functionality issues? Since we are talking about second-hand functional quality, the product has no issues or functional issues. I suggest we look at 2 or 3 products. In this case, unlike other videos, we have opened them because the boxes were a bit more complex to open, and we will look at the products. Here we have a camera, of the Sony brand with its detached lens. Here the box is in generally very good condition. Well, it's in good condition with a bit of dust. Here you have the manual, which seems to be complete given the number of elements that are there. We still have the complete box. Here, it's most certainly the lens. Exactly. There you have the lens here. There, and it is in excellent condition. In any case, on a lens, if there is the slightest impact, if it is broken, cracked, scratched, obviously, the lens is not considered functional. Here, we're going to put that here. Here, logically, it's the device. The device is there, well protected in bubble wrap. In this case, we have a signs of use. There, it's really the protection, but it is the protection, is worn. However, when we open it, the inside is in excellent condition, which is essential for a camera. There, and then we will look at the screen here, which likewise is in very, very good condition. You can even move it in all directions. There you go. So the product, and really for a rental product, it seems to be in excellent condition. Apart from these small signs of use, which are really on parts that are not essential. There, obviously the products will be stored before the sale. And what do we have here? I wonder what this is. These are all the accessories. A strap. Here we have the charger. Here we have the support, the wall charger. And here, this seems to be I don't know what it is, but in any case, these are original products. Then we can look at the second one that was opened randomly. And here it is a product from the brand Sony. It's approximately the same type of product. Here we see it has 2 lenses. We will look at it together. Similarly, the manual, which is inside its original packaging. For this part here, you have the strap, also the charger, and here the camera. Under protection. We can look at it together here. So this time there is a small scratch that is not major, but you can feel there is a scratch that is really very light, but I think you can see it. Here, if we look now, we see that it is in very good condition. No scratch on the screen. finely on the screen, on the retina. And there you go for this product. I don't have much more to say, apart from an aesthetic condition that seems really very good. If there are more details from a very technical point of view, they will be in the Excel file. I can only judge here that it is functional, second-hand, and of aesthetic quality. And damage that would be noticeable, if we look at the lenses now, there is just one in this case. There, here, the objective, yeah, same, there's a little bit of dust. Here, it's a little damage on the cover. You can see it has been used, and here on this part, same. So, product in excellent condition. I repeat, if there are defects on the screen, on the lens, on essential products, obviously, since it's a camera, it will be immediately considered as non-functional. So I encourage you to bid on these lots, to ask us questions if necessary via the chat, and to carefully look at the automatic shipping estimates. That's it for this Grover sale of occasional quality cameras.